Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. Yes, Mataji. Yes, I'll share now.
भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुष्कृन् करणे आदिशंकराचार्य विरचित द्वादश मंजरी नेक्स्ट who is taking the first ललिता माता जी आप ले लेना
Who, Mataji?
फर्स्ट वन आप ले लो
Okay, 1 minute, Mataji. I'll
so
just.
रिपीट माता जी हर एक चीज मैं गाऊंगी उसके बाद आप रिपीट कर लेना
हाँ, ठीक है.
each stanza so that there will be good practice.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Oh, I have to keep my video on. 1 minute, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this is actually the concluding version of our Shankaracharya, because you can see lot many ashtakams, whatever he has sung is all on Sri Krishna. So though he is taught Advaita philosophy and all, because he is an Amsha of Shiva, Shiva is always an ultimate Vaishnava. So that's the reason this is very valuable lesson. भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुष्कृन् करणे भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम
भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुष्कृन् करणे भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम.
प्रवीणा माताजी मूढ़ जहि धनागम तृष्णा कुरु सत्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णा यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तं भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम.
हरे कृष्ण. मूढ़ जहि धनागम तृष्णा मूढ़ जहि
आप थोड़ा इंक्रीज मूढ़ जहि धनागम तृष्णा
मूढ़ जहि धनागम तृष्णा कुरु सत्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णा यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तं भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम.
एनीवन वांट्स टू रिपीट माताजी मूढ़ जहि हरे कृष्णा. ललिता माताजी आप रिपीट कर लो एक बार.
यस माताजी. मूढ़ जहि धनागम तृष्णां कुरु सद्बुद्धि मनसि वितृष्णां यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तं भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम.
Very good. Next, third one. Who is repeating? नारीस्तनभरनाभिदेशं दृष्ट्वा मागा मोहावेशं ये तन्मां सवसादि विकारं मनसि विचिन्तय वारं वारं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम् Stana. Mani Mataji, it is not Ratana. Sa, Ada Sa and Ta.
Nari Sanavarana Videsam Krishnamago Mohavesam Etanma Savasadi Vikaram Manasi Vichintya Varam Varam Bhaja Govindam Bhaja Govindam.
ललिता माता जी ये भी रिपीट करिए।
हरे कृष्ण। नारीस्थन भरनाभिदेशं दृष्ट्वा मागा मोहावेशं एतन्मासावसादि विकारं मनसि विचिन्तय वारं वारं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
हरे कृष्ण। नलिनीतलगत जलमतितरलं तद्वज्जीवितम् अतिशयचपलं विद्धि व्याध्यभिमानग्रस्तं लोकं शोकहतं च समस्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्। भारती माता जी।
Mataji is not there, Mataji.
Okay. Someone raised na. Smita Mata. Smita.
Smita.
Hare Krishna. Nalini dalagata jalamati taralam tadva jivitam atisaya japalam
तद्वज्जीवितम्
तद्वा जीवितम् अतिशय जपालम् पृथ्वीव्याध्यभिमानग्रस्तम् लोकं शोकतं च समस्तम् भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
ललिता माता जी रिपीट करो।
रिपीट करो। नलिनीदलगत जलमति तरलं तद्वजीवितम् अतिशय चपलं विद्धि व्याध्यभिमानग्रस्तं लोकं शोकहतं च समस्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
ब्रेथ ले लेना। विद्धि व्याध्यभिमानग्रस्तं लोकं शोकहतं च समस्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fifth one. Who is repeating?
Kalavati Mataji.
यावद्वित्त उपार्जनसक्तः तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे वातां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
अयो
Sing Mataji.
माताजी सुनाई दे रहा है माताजी?
Ah, yes, yes.
या ओके। यावत् यावत्
पित्त
यावत् वित्त उपार्जन सक्तः तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
वेरी गुड। ललिता माताजी।
Hare Krishna. यावद्वित्त उपार्जन सक्तः तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण। 6th one।
Yes.
यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे गतवति वायौ देहापाये भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
Who will sing Mataji?
आप ही रिपीट कर लो इनकेस नो वन।
यावत् पवनो निवसति गेहे
यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे
यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे गतवति वायौ देहापाये भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
यहाँ पे भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं। भ जो है इट इज हर्ट।
Yes.
So 7th one we'll take. 7 and 8 आज सीखेंगे।
कल हो गया था ना 7th माता
हाँ कल हो गया ना। ओके। Anyone to repeat? हरे कृष्णा।
अश्विनी माता जी, दिव्या माता जी।
जी मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ वो भज गोविंद इसलिए।
नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके।
वत्सला माता जी।
वत्सला माता जी के लिए मैं थोड़ा रिड्यूस करूँ आज का लेसन। हाँ I'll reduce the pitch माता जी।
ओके माता जी।
बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्। Those who cannot take high pitch can take this pitch. If it is high in the beginning also, we'll repeat once again once we finish learning the Bhaja Govindam. So that time we can sing in a low pitch. Okay, Mataji? So some people, especially जो pitch मैंने गाया पहले, that is convenient for the males especially. So जो male devotees रहेंगे, उनके लिए आसान रहेगा वो वाला. अगर ऐसा बताएंगे तो they cannot take it. ठीक है? So this is the female pitch what I am singing. I'll sing once again. Balastavat क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावचिन्ता सक्तः परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
वेरी नाइस। ललिता माता जी आप ही रिपीट कर लो।
बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
Hannah, don't you think this is a comfortable pitch for the female?
Yes,
Take
yes.
it, yes. The next one, 8th one.
This is new, na Mataji?
This also we had done yesterday.
Sorry, did till 9, I think. Yeah.
हाँ, ये भी किया है. तो who will repeat?
Sudha Mataji are there?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. I'm
Lowered the
there.
pitch, Mataji.
Just take care of the pitching, Mataji. काते कान्ता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयम् अतीव विचित्रः कस्य त्वं कः कुतायातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय तदिह प्रातः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
काते कान्ता कस्ते पुत्र संसारोऽयम्
अतीव विचित्रः
संसारोऽयम् अतीव विचित्र कस्य त्वं कः कुत आयातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय तदिह भ्रात भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
ललिता माता जी।
Yeah. काते कान्ता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयम् संसारोऽयमतीव विचित्रः कस्य त्वं कुतायातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय तदिह भ्रातः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
Hari Hari, very nice. 9th one. This also we had done. सत्संगत्वे कल ही किया था. So anyone to repeat? It is familiar to you. Please do sing after me. सत्संगत्वे निस्संगत्वं निस्संगत्वे निर्मोहत्वं निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्वं निश्चलतत्वे जीवन्मुक्तिः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
सत्संगत्वे निसंगत्वं निसंगत्वे निर्मोहत्वं निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्वं निश्चलतत्वे जीवन्मुक्तिः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्।
Very
Very good. Repeat, Mataji.
I should repeat it. Satsangatve nisangatvam nisangatve nirmohatvam nirmohatve nischalatatvam nischalatatve jivan muktihi bhaja govindam bhaja govindam.
Hare Krishna. The 10th one.
Prabhuji has joined, Mataji. Subbarao Prabhuji has joined.
Okay, would he repeat?
Yeah, he will repeat.
No. Vayasi gate kah kama vikarah. Line wise.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna, Subbarao Prabhuji. Are you free?
Hare Krishna.
Can you repeat, Prabhuji?
Ah,
I
yes,
will
yes, yes.
just
Yes.
repeat line after the line. Okay. Vayasi gate kah kama vikarah.
Vayasi gate kah kama vikarah.
शुष्के नीरे कह का सारः.
Sushke neere kah ka sarah.
Repeat again. वयसि गते कः काम विकारः. शुष्के नीरे कह का सारः.
Vayasi gate kah kama vikarah. Sushke neere kah ka sarah.
क्षीणे वेत्ते कः परिवारो.
क्षीणे वित्ते कः परिवारो.
ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः.
ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः.
क्षीणे वेत्ते कः परिवारो. ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः.
क्षीणे वित्ते कः परिवारो. ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः.
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
Too low for
I
him.
know this pitch is difficult for the males, but क्या करें, आप तो लास्ट में आए हो. हाँ, anyway, माता जी आप रिपीट करना once I complete the whole thing.
Okay.
वयसि गते कः काम विकारः. शुष्के नीरे कः का सारः. क्षीणे वेत्ते कः परिवारो. ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः. भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
वयसि गते कः कामविकारः. शुष्के नीरे कः का सारः. क्षीणे वित्ते कः परिवारो. ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः. भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
Thank you. इसका translation I'll just read. When the youthfulness is past, where is excitement? When water has dried up, where is the lake? When wealth is spent, where is retinue? When truth is known, where is samsara? That is the world. So we have to know the absolute truth, that is Bhaja Govinda. We have to do only the bhajan of Govinda. After we complete the complete Dwadasakshari Manjari, Dwadasa Manjari, we can read the whole translation alternately, Mataji.
Yes.
So we'll do the next one. Shall we go ahead?
Yes. Who is repeating? Kindly raise hand.
Anyone who wants to learn this?
Brahma.
Verse 11.
Can I?
Yeah. मा कुरु धनजन यौवनगर्वम्
मा कुरु धनजन यौवनगर्वम्
हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वम्
हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वम्
मा कुरु धनजन यौवनगर्वम् हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वम्
मा कुरु धनजन यौवनगर्वो हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वम्
मायामयमिदम् अखिलं भूत्वा
मायामयमिदम् अखिलं भूत्वा
ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविशाविदित्वा
ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविशाविदित्वा
मायामयमिदम् अखिलं भूत्वा ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविशाविदित्वा
मायामयमिदम् अखिलं बुद्ध्वा ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविशं विदित्वा
प्रविशाविदित्वा
प्रविशविदित्वा
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
Mataji, no, you can raise a little pitch high, no, Mataji, for Prabhuji.
एंड में करेंगे माता जी वो ऑसिलेट हो जाएगा ना हाफ पोर्शन वी हैड डन एनीवे तो अभी तो ये इसी में कंटिन्यू करेंगे सो दैट यू कैन आल्सो रिपीट ना अभी मा कुरु धन जन यौवन गर्वम् हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वम् मायामयमिदम् अखिलं भूत्वा ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
Prabhuji,
आप करो माता
Yes.
जी प्रभु जी से मैं लास्ट वाला करवा दूं आई विल इंक्रीज द पिच एंड मेक हिम डू
Ma kuru dhana jana yovana garvam harati nimeshat kala sarvam mayamayamidam akhilam bhutva brahmapadam tvam pravisha viditva भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
coming to the 12th verse
meaning Mataji.
do not boast about your wealth large followers or your youth time can remove them in a flick of a moment know that all these are elusive understand and enter the state of Brahman Hare Krishna and from Brahman generally people who believe till Brahman, it is Brahma Jyoti, we should actually go higher. Brahman has many meanings. So one of the things here, the Brahman is actually about Govinda. Okay, Hare Krishna. Who is repeating Mataji?
Hare Krishna, Brinda Mataji, Divya Mataji, Kalavati Mataji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dinayaminyo sayam pratah
दिनयामिन्यौ सायं प्रातः
शिशिरवसन्तो पुनरायातः
शिशिरवसन्तो पुनरायातः
दिनयामिन्यो सायं प्रातः शिशिरवसन्तो पुनरायातः
दिनयामिन्यौ सायं प्रातः शिशिरवसन्तौ पुनरायातः
कालः क्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः
कालक्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः
तदपि न मुञ्चति आशावायुः
तदपि न मुञ्चति आशावायुः
कालक्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः तदपि न मुञ्चति आशावायुः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
कालक्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः तदपि न मुञ्चति आशावायुः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
So here you can sing tadapi na munchatyaasavayuhu. Munchatya or you can sing as
आशावायुः
tadapi na munchati aashavayuhu. That is breakup. Naito tadapi na munchatyaashavayuhu. Both are correct. Okay. Bhaja govindam. Bhaja govindam. Translation. Day and night, dusk and dawn, fall and spring come again and again. Time sports, life passes. Still, one does not give up the lust of desires. This is all about us only, actually. Mataji, or you can, I'll sing completely. Lalita Mataji, you can repeat.
Yes, Mataji.
दिनयामिन्यौ सायं प्रातः शिशिरवसन्तौ पुनरायातः कालक्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशा वायुः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
विनयामिन्यौ सायं प्रातः शिशिरवसन्तौ पुनरायातः कालः क्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशावायुः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
Yes. Now the 13th one. This is Kate Kanta Dhanagata Chinta.
Hare Krishna, who is taking after Mataji? Hare Krishna. Co-host. Mani Mataji.
Nobody is there. I will only take Mataji.
Mani Mataji.
Mani Mataji can repeat if she can.
She can.
Yes, Mataji. Kate Kanta Dhanagata Chinta. वातुल किं तव नास्ति नियन्ता काते कान्ता धनगत चिन्ता वातुल किं तव नास्ति नियन्ता नास्ति नियन्ता त्रिजगति सज्जन संगतिरेका भवति भवार्णव तरणी नौका त्रिजगति सज्जन संगतिरेका भवति भवार्णव तरणी नौका भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
त्रिजगति सज्जन संगतिरेका भवति भवार्णव तरणे नौका भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
Translation. Oh, confused one, why are you worried about wife and wealth? Don't you know the ordainer of rules? Remember, in the three worlds, it is only the company of good people that can be a boat for you to cross the ocean of existence. We'll repeat this, Mataji. Kate kanta dhanagata chinta vatulakim tava nasti niyanta trijagati sajana sangatireka bhavati bhavarnava tarane nauka bhaja govindam bhaja govindam.
काते कान्ता धनगतचिन्ता वातुल किं तव नास्ति नियन्ता त्रिजगति सज्जन संगतिरेका भवति भवार्णव तरणे नौका भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
Hare Krishna.
स्मिता माताजी शिलवाड़ा में.
Mataji, I don't think verse 14 ये वाला है.
Okay.
Because we come for the concluding one. Did you share from what I shared in the group? I have given only till
पहले का मैंने रखा था.
पहले का नहीं.
Okay. So this is not there, Mataji. Okay, 15.
नहीं.
Maybe नहीं.
This is because after Shankaracharya, his disciples have also written.
Okay.
The one which we very regularly sing is Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. That is also written by one of his disciples.
Okay.
A very good one. But we are doing Shankaracharya ka Dvadasa, na? So I think, नहीं और आगे करो. और भी नहीं और आगे. Brinda Mataji has it, I think. I had shared to her also. आगे
20th and 21st माताजी.
नहीं ये भी नहीं. ये हम लोग अलग से करेंगे.
पुनरपि जननम 21st माताजी.
नहीं, this one Punarapi Jananam wala I will teach you the bhajan. Bhaja Govindam bhajan I will teach you. This is bhajana. This is Dvadasa Manjari, which we are singing. आगे करो माताजी. और भी आगे शंकरा आएगा. Yes.
यही है.
Yes. I think नहीं और भी आगे करो. हाँ. Mataji, I had sent you na Brinda Mataji.
28 to 33 is Shankaracharya Virachitas. I mentioned it like that.
नहीं मैंने जो भेजा वो वाला नहीं. आगे और आगे. और भी नहीं. आगे
खत्म.
Then नहीं Mataji, not this. 1 second. We will sing once again when we are all have practiced ना. एक के बाद एक करेंगे.
इसमें भज गोविंदम बोल के आता वो वाला माताजी.
शंकरा. This is written by Shankaracharya ना, तो वो आएगा. That is Falastuti kind, like Shankaracharya का वो आएगा last one. It's okay. So till here you all can practice. Yes, and then we can go live again for singing. All of you should practice so well that एक के बाद. I will not make you all repeat after me. We will all participate together. एक stanza, एक लोग गाना. Okay. So that time we will do the last one also. Mataji, एक बार till now whatever we have done, we'll read the translation alternately.
अभी करें? Okay.
Why Bhaja Govindam is given. Govindam Bhaja Mudamate. This was inspired when Shankaracharya had seen someone riyazing, they are continuously doing sadhana on Vyakaran, Sanskrit Vyakaran. Dukrun, Dukrun, Dukrun. So he was telling, we are all fools to repeat all these material things, not saying Bhaja of Govinda. Yeah, first one. So all the verses, Mataji, you also read the alternately. Okay. So first one, what we have sung is Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Dukrun Karane. This is the scene. Seek Govinda, seek Govinda. Oh fool, when the appointed time of death comes, the rules of grammar are not going to save you. Next.
O fool, give up the thirst to amass wealth, free from desire and attachment. Create in your mind thoughts of the reality. Train your mind to be contented with whatever you get as a reward.
Do not get infatuated at the sight of a lady's full bosom or a flat belly. Remember again and again, these are nothing but a modification of flesh and fat.
Hare Krishna. As a water on a lotus leaf is very unstable, life is extremely unsteady. Know that the whole world is stricken with disease and arrogance and inflicted with sorrow.
Afflicted with sorrow, yes. The next one. As long as you are able to earn money, so long all your blood relations and entourage are attached to you. Afterwards, when your body is old and infirm, no one at home even cares to speak to you.
Hare Krishna. As long as the body breathes, people at home inquire about your welfare. When the breath is gone and the body decays, even the wife is scared of the body, that is corpse. This is conditional love.
So this is the facts actually all, very hard. We learn it very in a difficult method, but then he has given all the synopsis very well. During childhood, one is attached to sports. During youth, one is attached to girls. And during old age, one is attached to anxiety. Yet no one is attached to Supreme Brahman. This is the fate.
So who is your wife? Who is your son? This samsara, that is world, is extremely mystifying. Of whom are you? Who are you? Where have you come from? Oh, brother, ponder over that truth here.
From association with good people arises non-attachment. Non-attachment leads to freedom from delusion. When delusion is removed, one becomes steadfast in reality. On experiencing the immutable reality, one attains Jivan Mukti, that is liberation in life. We have that thing, Mataji Bhagavad Gita, maybe 11.55. Matkarma Krunmat Paramo Madbhakta Sangavarjita Nirvaira Sarvabhuteshu Yassa Mameti Pandava. So only when you get rid of all these attachments, then only can one attain. The verse 10.
Yeah. When the youthfulness is past, where is excitement? When water has dried up, where is a lake? When wealth is spent, where is retinue? When truth is known, where is samsara? That is the world.
Do not boast about your wealth, large followers, or your youth. Time can remove them in a flick of a moment. Know that all these are illusory. Understand and enter the state of Brahman. Anityam Asukham Lokam. Hana? Dictionary.
Yeah, 12th. 12th we did know, Mataji.
No, koi nahi.
Day and night, dusk and dawn, fall and spring come again and again. Time, sports, life passes. Still one does not give up the lust of desires.
So night and dusk, it's continuous, na? वो कहते हैं even someone who reaches Swarga also they have to come back. Tetam bhuktva sargalokam vishalam shine punyam atilokam vishanti. So just like how the seasons are changing one after the other, everything is constantly changing. Everything is basically temporary. It's not constant. And the 13th one we had done. Oh, confused one, why are you worried about wife and wealth? Don't you know the ordainer of the rules? Remember, in the three worlds, it is only the company of good people that can be a boat for you to cross the ocean of existence. So satsangatve nisangatvam. You should have only satsanga. Asatsanga chedi bai, bol hari bol, bol hari bol, bol hari bol, bol
That's
hari
all, no,
bol.
Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah. So we'll sing the Palastuti, or when we sing continuously, Bhajagovinda.
Ah.
Okay, without any interruption. And please do practice, Mataji. सब लोग practice करके आना. We can record once again for our
Shall I stop?
learning. Yes, Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.